How to fix login loop after uninstalling and reinstalling on Hinge. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the login loop after uninstalling and reinstalling on the Hinge app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To fix a Hinge login loop after uninstalling and reinstalling the app, you have to start by ensuring that you're using the same login method. So maybe you uninstalled or maybe you went ahead and then logged out of your accounts. And when you're trying to sign in, you're getting an endless loop. You have to make sure that you're using the same login method. If you logged in with Google before, log in using that exact Google account. If you logged in with phone number before, log in using that exact phone number as well. In my case, it was Google. As soon as I do that, you can see it will log me in right instantly to my account. You also have to make sure to clear the app's cache files and data. So if you're using on Android, long press the Hinge app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to your app info page, and from here go to storage. Make sure to clear the cache files and also try to clear the data and tap on delete. Go to your Play Store or your respective app store, check if your Hinge app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Try to log out and log back in as well and see if those issues help you solve the problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.